When the desert meets the Atlantic Ocean, one of the world's most extreme ecosystems unfolds. The majestic beauty of nature here is not meant to be admired, but to be fought for. The largest and most formidable predators blend into the red sands, waiting for their chance at survival. Namibia. Time and wind have sculpted every glowing red dune. Where the cold winds from the Atlantic blow, they only intensify the challenge. Nowhere else in the world is the battle for survival as fierce as it is here.